Well, we exhibit at Interclean Amsterdam because it's the biggest exhibition in our industry, right? With a lot of people from different countries, and we want to have a global reach, so that's why this is a really interesting event for us.
The sector of chemicals themselves it's a complex market, right? So the industry has a lot of large players. The big question is, where do you play within that sector? We try to differentiate and drive the combination of personally delivered services to bring the chemistry in to work together to solve our customer challenge.
Our professional cleaning industry is changing a lot, as we all know. We see a lot of digitization about it, and we see the industry is changing towards taking care of the environment, as we as a company do as well. Will we be back in Interclean 2020? Absolutely yes.